Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2020 211 Hybrid by NauticStar. This 211 Hybrid is powered with a Yamaha 4-stroke 115. It has trim tabs, a boarding ladder, rear jump seats that flip up, has a cooler underneath the helm seat. It's a Simrad GPS chart finder, infinity stereo, console locker, has the bow filler cushion, Bimini top. This is in the white hull. This is the 2020 211 Hybrid by NauticStar. If you'd like to take a look at this 2020 211 Hybrid by NauticStar, come by and see us at MarineMax Lake Norman. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168.